Hey, how's it going guys? Neiolytic here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace an A6500 LCD screen. Just in case if you guys are wondering, I bought this LCD screen replacement from eBay for around 70 bucks. I will put the link on the description down below. Also, the tools I used, I will put it on the description as well. Okay, so step number 1, remove the 2 screws below the LCD screen. Step 2 is to remove the 2 screws at the back of the LCD screen. Just in case you're having issues removing the 2 screws behind the LCD screen, what I suggest is to remove the screws of the whole bracket for the screen, just for you to have clearance. The way to do that is to remove the 5 screws close to the hinges of the whole bracket over here at the bottom part. After removing the 2 screws, you can go ahead now and remove the back plate behind the LCD screen. The way to do that is you can use your nails, or if you have a prying tool, you can use that one as well to make it easier for you. Behind that back plate, there's gonna be 2 more parts that you need to remove. Step 4 is to remove the actual screen itself. You can do this by holding the bracket, using this as a counter force when pulling from the side of the LCD screen. Once you take off the LCD screen from the bracket holding it, you cannot pull it out completely yet because there's 3 ribbon cables attached to the back part. So what you need to do is remove it. I did it by using my fingers, of course, but sometimes it's harder, so I have to use a tool for it. You can use tweezers to take it out. So here you go. After removing the 3 ribbon cables, I have the broken LCD screen. Okay, so step 5 is to completely remove the LCD screen up to the front glass element. We only need the frame here. So I did it by using some prying tools to take off the inner part of the LCD screen, and then also pulling out some of the ribbon cables. I guess it doesn't matter anymore since the screen is broken already. So I just use force to actually take off everything. I just leave the frame itself because that's the only thing that we need here. Step 6 is to put the replacement screen into the frame until it snaps to position. Step 7, and maybe the hardest part of this tutorial. So we need to put the screen back. First step we need to do with that one is to slide the 3 ribbon cables through the opening here. And we have to put the ribbon cables inside those, whatever that thing is. We have to plug it inside there. But the hard thing about this one is the opening there is kind of tight and the ribbon cables are soft. So what I did here is I used a clamp, or you can use a tweezer if you have one, but be careful because you might damage the ribbon cables. So it took me a while to be able to put it back inside because I was trying to be careful not to damage the ribbon cables. Just go ahead and try it until you succeed. Once you're successful with that, go ahead and put the battery in your camera and test it out if it works. You know, you want to make sure that it works before we put everything back together. Now you tested it out and it works, it's cool. From here on now, you're gonna have to just do the reverse of what we did from unscrewing the LCD screen up to this point. you can see here, everything works, even the touchscreen works as well. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see some maybe things like this or videography and stuff like that, don't forget to subscribe. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and you will see me on the next one. Yeah, buddy.